This is the new Huepar HX03CG. This is the case it comes in. It's a hard plastic case and it has a user manual, the battery, a holder for AA batteries. You can put 4 AA batteries in as a backup option, laser target, the USB-C charger with a cable. So this is the main unit. You can turn it on in locked mode, and from here, if you press this, you also put it in pulse mode. And here it is on the base now. This is a really nice base because it gives you the ability to turn it around and also adjust the height, which is great for those fine tuning jobs that you might need it for. And here it is, the HX03CG, no frills, only high precision, and a really great tool for the worksite.